Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Datadog agent on VPS for server visibility. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by accessing your virtual private server through SSH. Use a terminal or command prompt. Enter your server's IP address and connect. Authenticate with your username and password. Ensure your server is updated by running the command to update the package index. For Debian-based systems, use the command sudo apt update and in sudo apt upgrade y. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo yum update y. Next, install the necessary dependencies for Datadog. For Debian-based systems, run sudo apt install get curl y. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo yum install get curl y. Now, download the Datadog agent installation script. Execute the command dd_agent_major_version equals 7 dd_API_key equals your _API. Replace your _API_key with your actual Datadog API key. After the installation completes, the agent should start automatically. Verify that the agent is running by executing sudo system+status Datadog agent. Next, configure the agent to monitor your specific services. Edit the main configuration file located at /etc/datadogagent/datadog.yaml. Open it with a text editor of your choice, using sudo nano /etc/datadogagent/datadog.yaml. Review the configuration to include essential information such as the site and log level. Set site, datadoghq.com or another appropriate Datadog site based on your region. Adjust the log_level to your preferred setting, usually set to info. Save and exit the text editor. Now, enable integrations for additional monitoring needs. Navigate to the integrations configuration folder located at /etc/datadogagent/confd. Choose which integrations you need and edit their YAML files within this folder. For example, for MySQL, open /etc/datadogagent/confd/mysql.d/conf_yaml. Enter your MySQL connection details including hostname, username, and password. Save your changes and exit the editor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.